So if I can ask Madiha please to come to the front to read out the award to Sukaina Bhanji, which is the Al-Nur award, and I believe Husna Aunty Kimji is collecting this award on her behalf. So if I can ask her please to make their way to the front. And the last award, if I can also get him ready. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. This is the penultimate award. There's one more after this.
Award for the contributions within the KSI community, either voluntary efforts or philanthropy. Al-Nur Award, Sukaina Bai Bhanji. An inspiring and outstanding personality who has been a source of strength for many. Sukaina Bai, you have been serving the community for around 40 years, from the time when our religious events were being held at our elders' residences and halls. You assisted in various aspects, including washing up of the utensils and cleaning up after the events. Following the construction of our current mosque, you continued serving your community and were then appointed the head of the Ladies' Volunteers. Taking this additional responsibility in your stride, you have been overseeing the distribution of niyaz, tabarruk, and other related items during our programs, including Kari Mani following a burial. In addition, you also assist in cleaning of the Imam Baras, a task most satisfying and rewarding. Your dedication to serving the community is extraordinarily immense. Imam Ali alayhi salam said, good doing is incumbent upon you, for it is the best cultivation and most profitable commodity, from Ghurar al-Hikam, number 6112. In recognition of your noble services to the community and humanity, the World Federation of Khoja Shia Ithnashri Muslim Community hereby bestows you the award for Al-Nur for philanthropy by Anwar Ali Dharamsi Uncle, President.
Yeah, Sukaina Bai Bhanji is my cousin, and she's worked with me the years I've been chair lady. So, thank you very much. Again, from Mombasa.